Hello everyone, I'm Sarika and I just completed my first year at SST. I can't believe I'm saying this that my first year is over, like already over. I mean, it feels like it was yesterday was my first day on campus and I was scared and I was nervous and I was just feeling so overwhelmed that how I'm going to survive here, how things are going to, you know, work out and a lot more thoughts as a lot of you might having these type of thoughts also. So I would just answer a few questions that would might be helpful for you to not think a lot and just come here excited and all. So the first question that I have is, how did the last 1 year look for you on campus? Okay, so if I have to describe my entire first year in one word, I would say it was a roller coaster. Yeah, it was a roller coaster. So many excitement. I had so many self doubts also. I had so many amazing moments with my friends, so many unforgettable memories, so many lessons, so many things that focus on your own self before you focus on others, and a lot more things. So, yeah, it was a roller coaster of a lot of feelings, emotions, and a lot of other things also. For me, it was like, some days I was really happy that I did solve a question on my own. Some days I was really low that I'm not able to do anything. What am I doing here? Am I here? Was my decision of coming here right or wrong? And a lot of things. But at the end, while sitting here and sharing my first year experience with you, I feel like, yeah, it was a really good decision because I learned a lot in my last 1 year. Like, a lot changed in me as a person that I am, and the way I look at life, the way I look at the world, and a lot more things. So yeah. The next question that we have is, how have you changed as a person? Okay, and about the same I was talking about. So I would say that, yeah, I changed a lot as a person, especially when it comes to the person that I was before joining the college and after 1 year. I was like, a person who depends on others for their emotional needs a lot. When I joined college, I was like having so many expectations from my friends and people around me, my roommates, that, yeah, that, they'll somehow give me a little soft corner so that I can feel a little, warmth that uh, I guess so many people are getting it. But at last, sitting here, I think that I am really strong emotionally now, and I'm really self independent now. And I feel like I'm really thankful to my first year for making me like this, because it was really required for, for the journey ahead that I have. So, yeah. The third question that we have is, events, clubs you participated in. I participated in a lot of events and clubs, meetings, and all. I remember few of them. The first that I remember is a 24 hours game dev hackathon in which I visited another college, and it was a really great experience. I mean, it was the first time ever for me, and it was really, really great. Just not sleeping for 24 hours straight, having coffees, making coffees your best friend, and then having snacks together with your teammates and solving a lot of problems, making a full working game in just 24 hours. It was really, really great experience. And other events also in my own college, I participated in like fests and DJ nights and all. I volunteered also in so many orators clubs, events in which so many debates. I also did debates and all. So yeah, I participated in a lot of, and it is really fun. I would suggest everyone who's planning to come to SST, please do participate in events, do participate in clubs, and do volunteer also, because I feel like personally volunteering is a really fun thing to do. Yeah, so let's move on. Friends you made and bonds you shared. Okay, so I am not very lucky when it comes to friendships because because in just first year I, you know, people say that in college you'll find a lot of friends, and yeah, I did, no doubt I did. But for me friendship is really not a thing that you met someone, you just shared a few things and now you guys are friends. For me it's not like that. For me friend is a really, specific word for people whom I can consider as my family. Yeah, so I unfortunately I didn't get a lot more like that, but yeah, I got one two people like that in my college in my first year, and I'm really grateful to have them in my life because they were the only people out there for me, supporting me in my lowest, because I am a really sensitive person. I cry a lot, and I I just feel a lot, and so I feel really grateful for having them in my life. So yeah. So the next question we have is cool, interesting things you learned. Okay, yeah, interesting. Cool, interesting. I actually learned a lot because as I told you, I was a complete beginner when I joined SST. I knew nothing about coding and all. So, firstly, the cool thing that I learned is coding only. Yeah, because you know how fascinating it is to just code and just flex it that yeah, I can code, I can make a whole working app, a whole working game, not a whole thing, but yeah, I can do so much into that to make it work and a lot. That itself is really cool, and and so many other interesting things also I learned a lot of new games. Like I didn't knew how to play volleyball before I joined my college, but in my college I, with my teammates, I won the second prize in inter-house volleyball girls championship, and it was a really good experience. Yeah. The next question that we have: any milestone you feel proud about? Okay, so a milestone, I would say for me, a milestone is not just a grade or a medal or a trophy, but the milestone would be how I have been grown up as a person, how my personality developed, how my way of thinking developed, how I myself as a whole person, grew up in my college in my first year. That's a milestone that I think is for me, because yeah, as I told you, I changed in a lot of ways. I am a better person now, and do you think there can be any other milestone above this? So yeah, this is the milestone that I would say that I'm really proud of. The next question and the last question that we have is all-nighters you pulled off. Yes, for sure. I've pulled off a lot of all-nighters because I personally am a night owl, so it's fun for me to just wake up all night. And while talking about all-nighters, there were a lot of reasons for that. Sometimes it was for a project deadline, sometimes it was for assignment deadline, and sometimes it was just for the sake of exams. You know that we have the exam the day and next day, and we actually didn't study anything much. So yeah, you have to pull off a lot of all-nighters in your college, and that is actually really fun because you know how you are just waking up all the night and just studying with your friends and having some midnight snacks with them, and just doing a lot of chit chat between things between work. It's just so fun. Okay, so at last I would just say that I hope my experiences are quite helpful for you, and I would just say that don't feel that if you are a beginner then you are just going to have a lot of difficulties in surviving, because as a complete beginner. When I joined the college, I was also a complete beginner in coding and everything. I feel like the college is really good in making things easier for you. The teachers, teach you the things from really very beginning of the things, and you will not feel like you are a beginner at all, because they'll teach you in a way. Don't feel like you are the only person who don't know anything. There are a lot like you. So yeah, I will just say that all the very best to all of you who are just thinking of joining SST. You're most welcome, and all the very best. We'll meet at the campus. Bye.